took me a long time to really become convinced that domes were going to have a place in the American marketplace. Could they stand the inspection procedures? Could they stand all the tests and everything? The answer was yes all the time. Fortunately, this new method of building a building caught the eye of quite a few different publishers. We started getting some calls. There's one fellow back in Michigan, fairly early on, called us and he says, "Man, that would be perfect for my fertilizer storage. Can you build me a fertilizer storage?" So we went out and built him a storage.
When we first got here, we were small. We focused on houses because there was a certain interest. They were remote. They were generally somewhere out in the country, some pristine area where people could build out a home and it was energy efficient, it was safe. And then we found that when we really first started, we would build the foundation and then we would build the dome. And then we added something to our repertoire, and that was tunnels to go underneath the dome to reclaim product. And that was kind of exciting, gave us a little bit of an edge.
We've been through times where we have sold quite a few domes, and now all of a sudden we're short out. A typical construction company can go to town and advertise and say, "I need carpenters, I need concrete workers, I need steel hangers." We can't do that. We can't go in and say, "I need to hire dome builders." But over the years we found we got a fantastic group, both superintendents and specialists.
We started integrating reclaim systems into bulk storage domes and getting involved from that perspective. The domes have got larger, but at the same time the projects have got more complex. It might involve a rail cart unloading pit or a truck dump pit, conveyors, safety mechanisms inside the dome that monitor gases and moisture in certain kinds of products. And so anyway, we've grown.